When she finally slipped away, she left me bound. I gripped tight to the mentioned banister, drunker than a forest fire on a lonely Father's Day. We can be bad and good together. We can love each other loud. I'm lighter than a feather. I'll hardly make a sound. I'll go with you even if it's down. Sweetheart, don't listen to the words I say. Only watch what I do. You will know me well. Wise up. This is a fight to the death, and none of us will leave alive. So we might as well be brave. We can be